In this video, let me show you how to use the scanner, actually both of the scanners, the top document feeder and the scanner glass of your Canon imageCLASS MF275dw. I'll show you how to scan a document and to get it on your smartphone. So the first step is to actually connect this printer on the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. And then I'll show you how to get the app to be able to scan. Press the home button here to get on the home menu. Then you're going to press this right side arrow a few times until you get to the 5 out of 5 menu where you see wireless LAN set. Press on it, press yes. Select your Wi-Fi network from this list. You can use the arrow if you don't see it to see them all. Now it's time to enter the password. Unfortunately, there is no keyboard on the display. You have to use this number pad. If your password has letters, each numbers also have letters. For example, if I want to type the letter U, I'll have to press twice on the number 8 and U will appear. If you want to use capital letters or numbers, you need to click on this option over here and you see it switches to number, to capital letters, to lowercase letters, and it goes back to numbers. So you're going to type your password, press apply, yes, and you'll get the confirmation message that it has been connected. Now you will go on the App Store and you need to search for Canon Print Business. There's also an app called Canon Print, and this is not the one that will be compatible with your printer. You absolutely need the business one. So go ahead and download it. Open. Press allow. Press allow again. Agree. Make sure that the screen of your printer is turned on. Press on the house in case it was sleeping. Press close. Over here, you need to click on the top left corner on the printer with the plus sign and click on auto search. Press on allow. Then select your printer that will appear on the top. Press add. And your printer is now connected to the app. This printer has two different scanners. A normal scanner glass over here, and to input a document, take it, place it facing down with the top part of the page towards the left side. Then you're going to bring the top left corner so it touches the top left corner of the scanner where the arrow is. Okay, you'll glide it until both corners are touching. And then you can close down this panel completely. If you want to input paper in the automatic document feeder on the top, let me demonstrate how this is done as well. Open the panel. These are two guides that you can move around. I suggest you push them to the extremity like this. Take your document, place it with the printed side that you want to scan facing up and with the top part of your document towards the left side and glide it. You're going to hear a beep, and this is just telling you that the printer has detected some paper on the top. On the app itself, let me go back on the main menu. You're going to press the scan button. These are a few things you can change. Okay, if you want to scan in color or in black and white, grayscale is black and white basically. You can select the resolution and the paper size you have put, it's letter size in my case, so it's LTR, and in which format you want the scan to be. Press the scan button. And automatically, usually it detects, because we have selected automatic on the top, where you have put the document. It doesn't take much time, and at the end, you should see the result on your smartphone. Here you go. At this point, it's not yet saved. You need to tap on the lower left side icon, the square with an arrow pointing up. You can click Save Copy to Files if you want to save it on your smartphone. At this point, select in which folder you want it to be saved. You can go back and select another folder. Or if you want to share, you're going to click again the same icon, open in, and here you're going to have access to your favorite contacts. You can share this scan in different apps, or you have more options down below. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like, but also comment down below. If you need replacement ink toner for this model, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon, towards the one that is compatible with this Canon imageCLASS MF275dw. So check my link down below. You also support my channel every time you go through my Amazon links. See you in the next video.